Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the confetti function in the shop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the app settings button. And at the very top, you will see the confetti section, which means that they will add some confettis with your delivery from this application. So if you want that, just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turned purple, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.